Many Haitian migrants camped in a small Texas border town are being released in the United States. Two U.S. officials said undercutting the Biden administration public statements that the thousand in the camp faced immediate expulsion. Haitians have been freed on a very large scale in recent days, according to one U.S. official who put the figure in the thousands. The officials who has direct knowledge of operation was not authorized to discuss the matter Tuesday and spoke on condition of anonymity. Many have been released with notice to appear at an immigration office within 60 days, an outcome that requires less processing time from Border Patrol agents than ordering an appearance in immigration court and point to the speed at which authorities are moving, the official said. The Homeland Security Department has been busing Haitians from Del Rio to El Paso, Laredo, and the Rio Grande Valley along the Texas border, and this week added flights to Tucson, Arizona. The official said they are processed by the Border Patrol at those locations. A second U.S. officials also with direct knowledge and speaking on the condition of anonymity said a large number of Haitians were being processed under immigration laws and not being placed on expulsion flight to Haiti that started Sunday. The official could not be more specific about how many. For Haitians hoping to get to the United States, the administration decision to release many people is a welcome relief. 3 hours after leaving the makeshift camp under the international bridge with his pregnant wife, Mackenson Willard stood outside a gas station in Del Rio, Texas, waiting on a Greyhound bus to take the couple to a cousin who was living in San Antonio. Willard was one of many to be processed and released on Monday, possibly because his wife is expecting their first child in 2 months. I feel so stressed, Willard said, but now I feel better. It's like I am starting a new life. However, the decision to release many Haitians, particularly without a clearly stated criteria for who stays and who gets returned to Haiti, will likely add to criticism of the White House, which is already facing bipartisan condemnation. Republicans says Biden administration policies led Haitians to believe they would get asylum. Democrats are expressing outrage after image went viral this week of Border Patrol agent on horseback using aggressive tactics against the migrants. U.S. authorities scampered in recent days for buses to Tucson but resorted to flights when they could not find enough transportation contractor, both officials said. Coast Guard planes took Haitians from Del Rio to El Paso. The releases in the U.S. were occurring despite the signaling of a massive effort to expel Haitians on flights to Haiti under pandemic-related authority that denies migrants an opportunity to seek asylum. A third U.S. official not authorized to discuss operations said there were 7 daily flights to Haiti planned starting Wednesday. Accounts of wide-scale releases, some observed at the Del Rio bus station by Associated Press journalists, are at odds with statements a day earlier by Homeland Security Secretary who traveled to Del Rio to promise swift action. If you come to the United States illegally, you will be returned, your journey will not succeed, and you will be endangering your life and your family's life, he said at a Monday news conference. The criteria for deciding who is flown to Haiti and who is released in the U.S. was unclear, but 2 U.S. officials said single adults were the priority for expulsion flights.